Having the ADA handle digitalized on the Cardano blockchain presents a powerful tool for businesses operating in the digital transformation space. First and foremost, owning the ADA handle digitalized dramatically simplifies transactions, replacing complex wallet addresses with an identifiable and memorable handle for smoother operations. Furthermore, the ADA handle digitalized facilitates seamless interaction with smart contracts on the Cardano platform, acting as a vital channel connecting users with cutting-edge blockchain technology. From a marketing standpoint, the ADA handle digitalized serves as a strong branding tool, instantly communicating the nature of a company's expertise in digital transformation or the move to real-world assets to the Cardano blockchain. In addition, the interoperability of ADA handles like digitalized enables easy transactions across other compatible platforms. Thus, owning the ADA handle digitalized not only assures transactional excellence, but also enhances brand identity and ensures secure, effortless interactions on the Cardano blockchain, making it a valuable asset for businesses navigating the digital landscape.